How to log into Paylocity account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Paylocity login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, paylocity.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top right you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of login. With that you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. So go ahead and fill this. First up, go ahead and type in the company ID, then type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of remember my username. After you fill this, click on login and just for that you will be logged into your Paylocity account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option to recover it. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register new user and go through the process. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily log into Paylocity account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.